Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Shark Robot Vacuum Error 9, meaning how to fix. Okay, so what is Shark Robot Vacuum Error 9? Error 9 on a Shark Robot Vacuum usually means there is something blocking the robot movement or discharge door. This blockage would be debris or foreign object. Okay, so solution 1, check the dustbin. Make sure the dustbin is properly installed and click into the place. If you notice any debris or dirty, remove the dustbin, clean it thoroughly and reinstall it, and make sure to check any obstruction that might be preventing the dustbin from the sitting properly. Okay, and then clean the filter. If the filter are dirty or closed, clean them to improve the suction. You can do this by gently tapping into the filter against a trash can to remove a excess debris. If they still dirty, you can range them under the warm water and let them air dry completely before installing them. Okay. So our third step is check the power outlet. Plug in a different device to ensure that the power outlet is working correctly. If it's not, try the different outlet or contact professional for assistance, and also make sure the power cord is not damaged or pre. A fault power cord can cause the issue with the vacuum performance and may pose the safety risk. So fourth step is clean and the charging contact. Gently clean the vacuum charging contact with the dry cloth to ensure proper contact and charging. This will help you to Shark Robot vacuum charge fully and efficiently, and also consider checking the charging dock for any debris or obstruction that may be preventing the vacuum for the charging properly. Okay. A clean and clear charging docker can help ensure a successful and efficient charging process. Okay. So fifth step is check the power outlet. Manually robot disconnect the vacuum from the power source. Flip the upside down. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until it turn off, and then wait for 10 seconds. Then press and hold the power button again to reset the vacuum. Okay. And factory resetting using the Shark app. Open the Shark app on your phone and connect to the same Wi-Fi as your vacuum. Go to setting menu and select the factory reset option. Wait for the few moments to reset the process to finish. Okay. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.